and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can cook up the cocoa milk tea in Heartopia. So for the milk tea, what just happened? I think you'll need to be level 11 of the cooking hobby, and then for the cocoa itself you need to be level 12 of the gardening hobby to harvest that. So we're gonna start off first with the milk teas we have here. So I made the black tea and then the milk tea first. Go back to the black tea and then switch one of the ingredients to the cocoa bean. Start cooking and you should have your cocoa milk tea. So I'm just gonna cook this up and fast forward this because it takes a long time to cook milk teas for some reasons. Oh, and where's the pot? Where's the pot? Heartopia, please fix this game. I still love you though, but where's the kettle, teapot, whatever you want to call it? Okay, let's take it out, and we finally have unlocked the cocoa milk tea. So yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!